Hello friends, welcome to my channel Om's Beautiful World. Today in this video I will tell a story about the Little Red Hen. Once upon a time there lived a little red hen and her small chicks. They all lived in a teeny cottage. The chicks looked like soft golden balls. The little red hen worked very hard to feed her little chicks. She liked to sing and dance as she worked. One day the little red hen was out walking with her friends, the lamb, the goose, and the cat. While they were walking and talking, she found a few grains of wheat. Who will help me plant these grains? She asked. The lamb said, Not I. The goose said, Not I. The cat said, Not I. The little red hen looked at the grains of wheat. Then she looked at her friends. Very well, I shall plant these myself, she said, and she did just that. Early one morning, the little red hen went out to see where she had planted the wheat. She saw teeny green sprouts coming out of the ground. She was very happy. The wheat she had planted was growing. Hurry, come and look at the wheat, she cried to her chicks. The wheat grew and grew all summer. It slowly changed from green to golden yellow. Who will help me pick the wheat? Asked the little red hen. Not I, said the lamb. Not I, said the goose. Not I, said the cat. The little red hen looked at the grains of wheat. Then she looked at her friends. Very well, I shall pick the wheat myself, she said, and she did just that. She picked all the wheat and put it in a sack. Now it was ready to go to the flour mill to be made into fine flour. Early next morning, the little red hen said, Who will help me take the wheat to the mill and have it ground into flour? Not I, said the lamb. Not I, said the goose. Not I, said the cat. The little red hen looked at the sack of grain. Then she looked at the lamb, the goose, and the cat. Then I will take the wheat myself, she said, and she did. The next day, the little red hen baked a beautiful loaf of bread. She asked the lamb, the goose, and the cat, Who will help me eat this beautiful loaf of bread? I will, said the lamb. I will, said the goose. I will, said the cat. No, you won't, said the little red hen. None of you helped me. You did not want to work, she said. I am going to eat the bread with my chicks, she said. The little red hen, and she did. My story is over. If you like my video, please like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you.